Based on their properties, all materials have a specific way in which they can be best cleaned. In this short video we explain the basic do's and don'ts of cleaning a matte surface like Fenix. Be aware that not all matte surfaces that may look similar have the same resistance to cleaning liquids as Fenix. Therefore, please verify whether your matte surface is Fenix. In case of doubt, the supplier of your piece of furniture is always able to clarify this for you. Let's take a closer look. From a distance, Fenix appears flat. However, if you look through a microscope, you see a structure. It is this microstructure that gives Fenix surfaces their matte appearance. Light waves hitting a matte, or as we have seen structured surface, the angle of incidence is not the same everywhere. Therefore, light reflects in different directions. This is what we recognize as matte. Now that we understand that a matte surface has a structure, it becomes logical that cleaning a matte surface, like Fenix, means cleaning this structure. Generally, when we speak about cleaning, it means removing any matter, solid or liquid, that we don't want there. By just wiping it off, by rinsing, or by first loosening it through gentle friction with or without a cleaning liquid. Let's look at how that works for the matte surface of Fenix. Cleaning the surface means cleaning the structure. Warm water is generally highly effective. To avoid an accumulation of dirt, regularly rinsing with warm water is the most essential step. This sounds simple, but it's often overlooked. Sometimes you need to use a cleaning liquid first. Due to the high resistance of Fenix, any household cleaning liquid can be used safely. In case of sticky residues, you can even use acetone, if you follow the supplier instructions. Although Fenix is a strong material, be careful not to damage the microstructure. Scrubbing with an abrasive cream, scouring pad or hard brush may polish the surface and might lead to a glossy spot in the long term. You can use a melamine sponge, often referred to as a magic sponge, instead. Its microstructure can get deep into the structure of the surface safely. Once the dirt has loosened, don't leave anything behind in the structure. Rinse the surface with warm water and a cloth or sponge. To avoid watermarks caused by limescale, wipe it dry afterwards with a clean cloth. To summarize, cleaning Fenix means cleaning the structure. There are 3 basic do's and don'ts. Fenix is a strong material. You can remove dirt using household cleaners or even acetone. Don't damage the microstructure. Do not use abrasive cream, scouring pad or hard brush. Avoid leaving anything behind in the structure. Always rinse with warm water and dry with a clean cloth. Cleaning your Fenix surface in this way helps you to enjoy it for years and years to come.